Want to boost sales and increase order sizes? With volume discounts, you can do just that. By offering discounts for bulk purchases, you not only help your customers save money but also increase your order sizes. Welcome to FoxKit Tutorials by FoxEcom. In today's video, we will walk you through how to set up volume discounts for your store. It's quick and easy, taking just a few minutes to get everything up and running. Ready to offer your customers great savings while boosting your sales? Let's dive in. To get started, make sure you have your FoxKit theme helper enabled to let the app work with your theme. Then, from the FoxKit dashboard, go to the Volume Discounts feature. Select Create Offer to start setting up your discount. Here, enter a title for your offer. This title helps you keep track of your campaigns. Check the Active box to enable the offer. If you want to save it for later, you can leave it unchecked. Next, let's set up the discount tiers. These tiers determine how much of a discount your customers will get when they buy in bulk. Give the discount tier a title. Leave this field blank if you want to use the default discount title, which can be customized later in the layout section. Set the minimum quantity and discount value for each tier. Choose the discount type, either a percentage off for each item or a fixed dollar amount discount. To make a tier stand out, enable the highlight option. This adds a badge, like Most Popular, to attract attention. You can customize the highlight label in the layout section to match your branding or desired message. Click Add More to create more tiers. Now, let's decide how the discounts will appear on your storefront. FoxKit offers 3 layout options: Standard, Rich, or Cards. Fill in the information you want to show on your offer to attract customers. This includes the offer heading, default discount title, subtitle, highlight label, and Add to Cart button label. You can also use predefined variables to display dynamic information. Select the C variables to explore your options. You can adjust the card radius slider to change the look of the card edges for a more rounded or squared-off style. With the Rich and Cards layouts, you have complete control over the default selected discount tiers. In the Rich layout, you can enable the variant selector, allowing customers to choose different product variants while still qualifying for the discount. In Cards layout, you can hide the Add to Cart button for the offer, allowing customers to use your Themes button directly for bulk purchases.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Let's get back to setting up our volume discounts in FoxKit. Finally, decide where the volume discount will apply. In the Displays On section, you can choose from All Products to apply discounts store-wide, Specific Products for selected items, or Specific Collections for certain product groups. Pick the option that best fits your needs to ensure the volume discounts are applied just where you want them. Once you've set everything up, hit Save to activate the offer. Then, navigate to Online Store Theme Editor to add the app widget for it. You can either add it as a block of your product information section or insert the volume discounts as a new section. Your customers will now see the volume discounts on the storefront. And that's it. You've successfully set up volume discounts in FoxKit. With just a few clicks, you're ready to create a more rewarding shopping experience for your customers, benefiting both your business and your buyers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Ready to skyrocket your sales? Install FoxKit Upsell Cross-Sell app and start boosting your store with pre-orders, upsells, and more. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with FoxKit.